It's recommended that you use your Sleep8 every day to sanitize your PAP before your next night's rest. Let's walk through the 3 simple steps to set up your Sleep8. First, unzip the bag. Look inside and find the round valve at the bottom. Then detach the tubing from your PAP machine and attach the end of the tubing to the round valve inside the bag. Once it's connected, place your mask, tubing, and empty water chamber in the bag. Zip the bag closed. Next, you'll need to connect the Sleep8 device to the outside of the bag. On the bottom of the bag, find the triangular valve. You'll see a notch that lines up with a notch in the port of the Sleep8. Slide the valve into the Sleep8 port. It should be a snug fit. Now is the easiest step. Finally, find the small round power button. Press it until you hear a beep and see the Sleep8 screen light up. That's all. Your Sleep8 is now doing its sanitizing magic. You'll see the screen count down until the sanitization is complete. During the process, it's normal to hear the fan quietly oscillate and pause for short periods. Sleep8's whisper quiet design sanitizes your CPAP much more quietly than competitor units. When it's all done, your Sleep8 will beep 5 times. The countdown will say, "OK," and the device will automatically turn off. Do not unzip your bag until then. When you see the OK and the device turns off, you can unzip the bag and take out your PAP machine accessories. It's ready to help bring you another healthy night of sleep. As a reminder, it's recommended that you sanitize your PAP daily to get the cleanest sleep possible night after night.